Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another weekly plan with me today. This one is in my bullet journal using the lockdown Bob kit. So this pretty much sums up my lockdown so far. We've been doing lots of FaceTiming, reading. I've actually found time to do some crochet, lots of cleaning, lots of baking, and of course lots of TV. I don't know if you can see that the TV actually has like that Netflix screen where it's asking you if you're still watching and if you'd like to continue or not. Yeah, pretty much sums up life right now. That and homeschooling, of course. So this is the mini / bullet journal kit. There's the first sheet, and the second, third, and fourth sheet. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to put on kind of the middle page, because those of you that have seen my videos before will know that I do like a Dutch door type spread. I have my to-do list and then my meals down here, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Normally in my head I've kind of got an idea as to what kind of stickers I want to put in the middle, and then I make these stickers available in the shop. The April showers on, rainbow showers on, sorry. Rapunzel. So I have like a big sticker in the middle, and like normally in my head I kind of get an idea as to how that's going to look. This is my daughter's birthday week, so there's my daughter and her pet unicorn. But I don't really know what to put down for this one. So I don't know whether I might change up my weekly spread. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I might put a week down. So not do a Dutch door spread, as it were. To do kind of my to-do list as I do normally. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then have Saturday and Sunday. And then maybe use this page for like homeschool bits. Because I did do a homeschool spread here, but I didn't actually use it much. So maybe I'll do that. What would that give me? That would give me 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Yeah, I'm gonna have a play and kind of see what I come up with. But essentially it's going to be this kit. I'm going to be using my trusty pigment liners because it's waterproof, stay focused, and they don't smudge when I go over them with watercolour. And then there'll be watercolours going on, and then we'll kind of go from there. Quickly show you this. I found some colouring sheets for my daughters last week during kind of the Easter break. They were desperate for things to do, and I sat down and I coloured one in myself. So this is what I did, and then I decided that on this page to kind of write down all the things, all of the words and phrases that are kind of coming up during this pandemic. So that's kind of what this is, and I can add to it as spaces I can add to it as I need to. Yeah, so watch this space, we'll see what happens. Okay, so here's my final spread. I'll quickly talk you through what I've done. So I've mixed up my kind of sidebar, and I've put the sticker at the top, and I've got a to-do list and then my meal plan, and this will say lockdown week 4, is that right? Yeah. And then I've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I have a sourdough starter. In fact, I have 2 sourdough starters that are currently on my side, and I started them last week. So I'm going to write down like the schedule of when I need to feed and discard, and then hopefully when I can bake with it. And then down here is just a list of goals, things that I want to achieve during the week. So for example, my plan was to draw create 2 kits this week. So I'm going to kind of write down what those kits would be, and then I can tick them off once I've achieved them. I want to bake some breads this week, etc, etc. I've got a few things that I want to kind of get done this week, so I'm going to pop them down there, and that's going to be my goals for the week. I really like the way it looks. The only way that I'll know if it works or not will be by using it. I'm coming to the end of this journal, so I've got room to play. It doesn't matter if it doesn't work, I can just try something else next week. So that's kind of it. I'll quickly show you what I have left of the kit. So I got lots of deco left because I've laid the page out slightly differently, so I'll see where I want to put those, as well as some checklists. I've got half boxes, some headers, weekend banner, I was going to use it but I decided against it, and some icons, quarter boxes, appointment labels, some little things, checklists, flags, half boxes, etc, etc. So that is the lockdown mini bullet journal kit, and that's my spread for the week, and I'll tell you how I get on with it next week. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. So new releases for this week are my Aurora kits. This is the full-size Erin Condren kit. We have the full boxes and check boxes, half boxes, little things, the deco, date covers, and the headers. All of these sheets are available a la carte as well. So that's the full-size kit. It also comes as a mini/bullet journal kit. This is the type of kit that I'll use in my own bullet journal. There's the first page, and the second, third page, and the fourth page. It also comes as a Hobonichi Weeks kit. So there's the first page, and the second page, and the final page. All of these will be out on Saturday. The last new release for this week is my May kit. I've gone with the same artwork as the Mother's Day kit, because I kind of thought we have April showers and then it brings May flowers. So this is a Hobo monthly kit, and it fits really nicely in a Hobonichi as well. So there's the first page and the second page. So these will all be out on Saturday. If you're looking in my shop at the moment, while we're all on lockdown, if you use the code HOMESCHOOL, all one word, you will also get 20% off, and there's free UK delivery, so make use of that while you can. I mean, let's face it, I think we're going to be in lockdown for a while, so you know, you don't have to use it right now. But I think that's it. I'll see you next week. Bye.